Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Missy. In this video, let's look at something called reported speech. Reported speech is also called indirect speech. This is a way of telling what someone said without quoting their exact words. Instead of using the speaker's exact words, which is called direct speech, the structure of the sentence is changed, and the tense is usually shifted back. For example, direct speech would be, I am going to the store. Indirect speech or reported speech would be, Sarah said that she was going to the store. The meaning of the sentence is kept, but the exact words and structure change. Usually, the tense shifts back. Let's look at some examples with direct and indirect speech. I'll meet you tomorrow. Timmy said that he would meet me tomorrow. Are you going to the meeting? She asked me if I was going to the meeting. I don't like bananas. She told me that she didn't like bananas. I'm feeling nauseous. Derek said that he was feeling nauseous. I'll call you on Thursday. She said that she would call me on Thursday. Where did I leave my phone? She asked me where she had left her phone. You have to lower your voice. The teacher asked us to lower our voices. I can help you out. Philip told me that he could help me out. I'm going on a trip to Argentina next month. She mentioned that she was going on a trip to Argentina next month. Can you give me a ride to work? Megan asked if I could give her a ride to work. We're going to meet him for lunch. They said they were going to meet him for lunch.
Do you want to become proficient in English? I have developed an English course that will have you on your way to becoming very fluent in the language. This method is modern and fun and will definitely not leave you bored. You will learn with ebooks and graphics that will develop your visual understanding of English. We will also go through quizzes and tests to see how much you have learned. I will teach you phrasal verbs that you have to know to be able to communicate in English. You can see how phrases are translated from English to Spanish. We will even review English grammar and verbs in all tenses. This is a very complete course that will make you proficient in English. Go to blabbinit.com now to learn more. Now back to the lesson.
I've never seen that movie. Brenda mentioned that she had never seen that movie. Do you want to go to the beach? She asked me if I wanted to go to the beach. I was sleeping when you were here yesterday. Sherry said that she had been sleeping when I was here yesterday. I will go to Virginia's house tomorrow. She told me that she would go to Virginia's house tomorrow. Why are you so angry? His mom asked him why he was so angry. I can finish it by the 1st of the month. He promised that he could finish it by the end of the month. I finished washing the dishes. You said that you had finished washing the dishes. I need someone to read this to me. Penny said that she needed someone to read it to her. Do you like cooking? She asked me if I liked cooking. We are reserving a hotel room. They mentioned that they were reserving a hotel room. Can you lock the door? He asked me if I could lock the door. I saw a famous singer at the mall. Henry said that he had seen a famous singer at the mall. I'll be there later. He said that he would be here later. What time will the airplane depart? He asked what time the airplane departed. I hope that you can now understand the difference between direct and indirect speech. This should help you when you're having a conversation. Write me a comment down below for any suggestions you might have for future videos. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. You guys are the best. I'll see you next time. Ciao, my favorite blabanitos!